So I just thought of a very interesting parallel between 3D printing and blockchain in construction. So right now you can print structurally sound 3D printed walls, but people aren't doing that because codes haven't caught up to it. So they're printing all these walls basically as ornament, and they still have columns and all structural supports inside the wall, hidden within the wall. And some people are going so far as to actually fill the wall with concrete just to provide that additional structural support and pass code. Eventually, code will catch up. It'll take a long time, but code will catch up and government entities will catch up, and they will allow 3D printed concrete structural walls. But until then, we can test the 3D printers, we can push the technology, push the nozzle head design, and keep experimenting with it and seeing what it can do and how far we can push this. In the same way, with blockchain, what we should do now and what DigiBuild is doing is build all these processes that aren't affected by code. Things like procurement or payments, or not actual government documents, or like trying to avoid banks or notaries, or all that kind of stuff, because the government or code still requires those verified documents right now. But if we can implement blockchain in other ways that aren't affected by code, we can test the technology and see its potential. And then eventually, down the line, we can start implementing on a wider scale, where it affects all areas of the construction industry, and it really revolutionizes the industry.